Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to attach canvas to a blouse. First, select the appropriate weight of fusible interfacing. A lightweight or medium weight option is usually best for blouses. Always pre-shrink both your main fabric and the interfacing by steaming or washing them according to their care instructions. This prevents future puckering. Then, carefully cut your interfacing pieces to match the exact dimensions of the corresponding blouse pattern sections, ensuring clean edges. Now, let's position the interfacing. Lay your blouse fabric wrong side up on a flat, heat-resistant surface. Carefully place the fusible interfacing on top, with its adhesive or bumpy side facing down onto the fabric. Make sure all edges are perfectly aligned. For smaller pieces, alignment is straightforward. For larger sections, you might use a few pins in the seam allowance to hold it in place, but avoid pinning through the main area. Next, we'll fuse the interfacing. Set your iron to the temperature recommended by the interfacing manufacturer, typically a medium to high heat with steam. Place a pressing cloth over the interfacing to protect your fabric. Press down firmly, holding the iron in one spot for about 10 to 15 seconds. Lift and move the iron, overlapping each section slightly, until the entire piece is fused. Avoid sliding the iron, as this can distort the fabric. Finally, let's check our work. Once you've fused all the interfacing, allow the fabric to cool completely on a flat surface. This cooling period is crucial for the adhesive to set properly. Gently check all the edges and corners to ensure the interfacing is securely bonded to the fabric. If any areas are lifting, repress them. Now your fabric has added structure and is ready for the next steps in your blouse construction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.